High above the world, where no footsteps had ever touched and no bird dared fly for long, there drifted a cloud unlike any other. It was small, almost invisible at times, and silent, so silent it could pass across the sky unnoticed. But if you looked closely, you would feel it. It carried something in its silence, a question, perhaps a longing. Unlike the others, the cloud never stayed with the flock. While storm clouds roared together and fluffy ones danced in blue skies, this one wandered alone, not lost, just searching. It had once heard a secret, not in words but in a whisper of wind, brushing against its misty edges, in the shimmer of sunlight piercing through it. The secret was this: not all clouds disappear, some become something more. The other clouds laughed. "Don't be foolish," they scoffed. "We are meant to hover and pass. That is all. Drift, cast a shadow and move on. Never fall, never change. To dissolve is to die." But the little cloud didn't agree. Somewhere deep within, it believed that there was purpose in the vanishing, if vanishing meant becoming part of the world in a new way. So it waited patiently, year after year, watching valleys crack under thirst, watching flowers close and rivers dry, watching the sky filled with clouds that never gave, only passed by. Then, one day, something changed. The wind howled with urgency. The sun blazed fiercer than ever before. Below, a village lay still, silent, scorched, desperate. Children had stopped playing. Farmers looked to the sky with eyes full of hope and fear. The land cried out, not in noise, but in silence, loud enough to shake the heavens. And the little cloud felt it, a pull, a calling, a knowing. It drifted down, slowly, deliberately, toward the sun. As it descended, its body began to tremble. The heat licked at its edges. Its form blurred, faded, fear knocking gently, but faith stored stronger. And then it did what no cloud dared do. It let go. It released everything it had gathered, droplets, breath, essence. At first, it was a whisper, then a soft fall, then a rain. And not just any rain, it was cool, soft, life-giving. It danced on the rooftops, it kissed dry lips, it soaked the cracked earth and whispered to the roots below, "Wake up, it's time." The village stayed. A baby laughed, a seed sprouted, a bird sang in the rain, and the cloud. It was no longer in the sky, but it had not vanished. It had become part of something greater, a river that would flow for miles, a stream that would feed fields, a mist that would linger in stories told by the fire. One remembered its shape. No one spoke its name, but in the hearts of those it touched, it lived on.